Welcome to Emmaus Health and Wellness Hub. Everybody is looking for the next superfood, but have you considered the humble tomato? A world of flavor, exploring the tomato. Tomatoes are everywhere. These vibrant red fruits are a staple in kitchens around the globe, cherished for their versatility and rich taste. From the simplest of salads to the most complex gourmet dishes, tomatoes find their way into our meals in countless forms. We see them in salads, adding a refreshing burst of juiciness and color. Their natural sweetness and slight acidity make them a perfect complement to leafy greens and other vegetables. Sauces, where they provide a rich, tangy base that enhances the flavors of pasta, meats, and more. And in sandwiches, they add a layer of freshness and moisture that elevates the entire experience. They add a burst of flavor to many dishes. Whether it's a homemade pizza or a gourmet entree, tomatoes bring a unique taste that is both comforting and exciting. But tomatoes are more than just tasty. They are a gardener's delight, easy to grow and rewarding to harvest. Freshly picked tomatoes from the garden have an unparalleled flavor that store-bought ones often lack. They are packed with nutrients that benefit our health. Rich in vitamins A and C, potassium and antioxidants like lycopene, tomatoes contribute to a healthy diet and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. From a botanical standpoint, tomatoes are technically fruits. They develop from the ovary of a flower and contain seeds, which classifies them as berries in botanical terms. They grow on a vine and contain seeds. This growth pattern makes them a fascinating plant to cultivate, whether in a home garden or on a larger scale in greenhouses. However, most people use them as vegetables in cooking. Their savory flavor profile makes them a versatile ingredient in a wide range of culinary applications. No matter how you classify them, tomatoes are incredibly versatile. They can be the star of a dish or a supporting player, enhancing the flavors of other ingredients. You can enjoy them raw, cooked, or even roasted to bring out their natural sweetness. Each method of preparation offers a different taste experience, or even in juice form. Tomato juice is a popular beverage known for its refreshing taste and health benefits, often enjoyed on its own or as part of a cocktail. Their popularity is no surprise. Tomatoes are a culinary chameleon, able to adapt to a variety of dishes and cuisines, making them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Tomatoes are delicious and good for you. Their combination of taste and nutrition makes them a valuable addition to any diet. Let's explore the amazing health benefits they offer. From boosting heart health to providing essential nutrients, tomatoes are a powerhouse of goodness that can enhance your well-being in many ways. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more health tips and delicious recipes. Lycopene Powerhouse, your heart's new best friend. One of the most impressive benefits of tomatoes comes from lycopene. This naturally occurring compound is a type of carotenoid, which is a pigment that gives fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors. In the case of tomatoes, lycopene is responsible for their rich red hue. This powerful antioxidant gives tomatoes their vibrant red color. But its benefits go far beyond just aesthetics. Lycopene has been extensively studied for its potential health benefits, particularly in relation to heart health. Lycopene is a heart-healthy superstar. It works by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Studies show that it can help lower bad cholesterol levels, or LDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol is often referred to as bad cholesterol because high levels can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. By incorporating more lycopene-rich foods like tomatoes into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards better heart health. By reducing LDL cholesterol, lycopene helps protect your heart and blood vessels. This can lead to improved cardiovascular health and a lower risk of heart-related issues. But lycopene's benefits don't stop there. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and support overall health. Some studies suggest that it may also help reduce the risk of certain cancers. This is because lycopene can help protect cells from damage and reduce the growth of cancer cells. This includes prostate cancer, lung cancer, and stomach cancer. By adding more tomatoes to your diet, you can enjoy their delicious taste while also reaping the numerous health benefits they offer. Vitamin C boost immunity and skin health. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient our bodies need. This powerful antioxidant plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health. Not only does it help in the growth and repair of tissues, but it also aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Vitamin C is well known for its role in supporting a healthy immune system. It stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Regular consumption of vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes can help reduce the duration and severity of common colds. It helps our bodies fight off infections and stay healthy. Additionally, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection is crucial in preventing chronic diseases and maintaining overall well-being. Vitamin C is also crucial for collagen production. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, providing structure to our skin, hair, nails, and connective tissues. Without sufficient vitamin C, collagen production slows down, leading to signs of aging such as wrinkles and sagging skin. Collagen is a protein that keeps our skin firm and youthful. By supporting collagen synthesis, vitamin C helps maintain skin elasticity and hydration, giving us a radiant and youthful appearance. Eating tomatoes regularly can contribute to a healthy glow and potentially slow down skin aging. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet, whether in salads, sauces, or smoothies, can provide a delicious and natural way to boost your vitamin C intake and support both your immune system and skin health. Potassium is a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Tomatoes are a good source of potassium. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Including potassium-rich foods like tomatoes in your diet can help keep your blood pressure in check. Potassium also supports healthy muscle function and helps prevent muscle cramps. Numerous studies confirm the health benefits of tomatoes. A study published in the journal Nutrition found that consuming tomato products regularly was linked to a reduced risk of stroke. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that lycopene from tomatoes could improve blood vessel function in people with heart disease. These studies provide strong evidence that tomatoes can have a positive impact on our health. Adding tomatoes to your diet is easy and delicious. Here are some simple ideas. Slice fresh tomatoes into your salads for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Add tomato slices to your sandwiches for an extra layer of taste and texture. Use canned tomatoes as a base for pasta sauces, soups, and stews. Cooking tomatoes with a little bit of healthy fat like olive oil can enhance lycopene absorption. From boosting heart health to supporting immunity, the benefits of tomatoes are undeniable. These vibrant fruits, or vegetables, are packed with essential nutrients like lycopene, vitamin C, and potassium. Numerous studies confirm their positive impact on our health. Making tomatoes a regular part of your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier you. Embrace the red and enjoy the incredible health benefits that tomatoes have to offer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.